Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today let's make a unique twist on the classic samosa, crispy and delicious Paan Samosa. It's look beautiful, taste amazing, and is perfect for tea time parties or whenever you want a crunchy homemade snack. In a mixing bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon kalonji, half teaspoon ajwain, 1 tablespoon ghee, half teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Add 1/3 cup water. And knead into a smooth and firm dough. Rub a little ghee over the dough. Cover it and let it rest. Now prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 1 chopped green chili. Add half teaspoon cumin seed. Two tablespoons boiled green peas. 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Mix everything well until the filling becomes dry and flavorful. Add coriander leaves. Now keep aside. Take a small portion of the dough. Roll it out. Cut it as shown. Take one piece. Fold it into the beautiful pan shape. Add the potato filling. Apply water and seal the edges carefully. Heat oil over medium heat and fry the samosa slowly until they become golden brown, crispy and perfectly crunchy. Your crispy Paan Samosa is ready. It's crunchy, flavorful, and sure to impress everyone at home. Serve them hot with ketchup, mint chutney, or your favorite dip and enjoy every bite. Thank you for watching an oven cake and cookies. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to an oven cake and cookies.